Marketing is the pivot of any business enhancement. The exciting aspect of marketing is, it taps human behavior. If you can create strategies that align with consumer preference and behavior, you are sure to be on top. This video throws light on top marketing techniques that you can utilize to enhance your revenue margin drastically. The techniques of marketing allow you to reach out to the customers flamboyantly. The key to marketing success is consistency. That means to say, whatever you do, do it right and do it consistently. Marketing helps your business to boost. The marketing strategies, as we say, are not complex, but implementing them at the right time can be challenging. The growth scale is much larger with marketing strategy. There is no substitute for the successful execution of any technique that we discuss in this lecture. So, let's quickly see the top 10 marketing techniques, which will include setting a target by setting a budget, social media-based brand development, local audience-oriented brand management, email marketing to target right customers, tactical blogging by posting the trend, online business information where authenticity is required, SEO practices for taking right decisions, building reviews where customers teach others, video content to reach instantly, and examining landing pages to keep the website updated. Technique number 1, set a target, set a budget. It is probably the free marketing solution that numerous marketing experts give you. Firstly, determine what your goal is. Without setting your target, you cannot go anywhere. As you do this, also set a budget for the same. Statistics say that a whopping 429% increase in revenue can be generated if you set the right goal for your organization through marketing campaigns. As you know, you must be spending at least 45% of the yearly turnover on sales and marketing campaigns. If you plan to do anything extra, set your focus on it and arrive at the target that you should achieve and its corresponding expenditure. Technique number 2, social media, brand development. Choose the social media channel that you would like to be a champion. It can be multiple platforms or a single platform too. It all depends on your budget. Try choosing Facebook and YouTube in the beginning, and later you can expand your horizons. The best way to establish your brand to the maximum audience is through social media platforms. With over 2 billion users on these platforms, this is the right time for you to reach out to the mass. Technique number 3, local audience, brand management. It is good to address the small and medium-sized businesses too. If you hold a business covering a lesser radius of regions, you can focus on the minimal crowd using the social media channel. Run campaigns that pertain to these regions to increase business prospects. Great follow-up and massive marketing campaigns can help improve the customer base. The first step to increase the customer count is by establishing the brand. Technique number 4, email marketing, target right customers. With over 59% of the organizations using this strategy and have seen good results, we recommend using an email marketing strategy to develop your business. Develop the content in such a way that the customers should not resist taking action. Even if this does not instantly help revenue generation, it is the platform to build rapport over time. It is indeed a long-term plan and has a long-term strategy in place. Technique number 5, tactical blogging, post the trend. Converting online visitors to your prospective customers is vital for any business. You can create great blogs on current and trending topics that can bring traffic to your website. Make it a ritual to post blogs consistently and reach a mass audience. One must also realize that only the trending topics will be of significant hit and set a highly passionate team to facilitate the same. Technique number 6, online business information, authenticity required. It is probably a good strategy and must-do aspect to develop your business. Google ranks the website and the brand based on the authenticity of the information available online. The first check and verification happen on your website once you put the business information on Google. If the information is mismatching with other public online sources, there are high chances of your website not getting listed at all, even if the prospective customer searches for it. Keep the information intact and frequent monitoring of the same is what you have to do. Technique number 7, SEO practices, right decisions. Of course, The right decisions based on keyword and consumer behavior make this a success. You must select the right keywords that can impact your business. Think about the customer's lines and choose the one. This factor is crucial because the way the customer searches the information can help them reach your website. On the other hand, if the information they seek is not available on the website, they might abandon it instantly. Technique number 8. Build reviews. Customers teach others. You must have specific efforts to increase online reviews. It is the one that has a significant impact on customer purchase decisions. One of the statistics says that 93% of the customers read online reviews before buying the product. Other statistics say 72% of the customers who buy after reading the reviews are satisfied with the product or the service. Technique number 9. Video content. Reach instantly. It is the ongoing trend and the future too. Developing video-based content shall help you build your brand in no time. The delectable videos on social media platforms shall be of more significant support in this regard. Use the short video concept in developing the brand image. Go for the other type of videos to increase customer engagement. And finally, technique number 10, examine landing pages, keep the website updated. Now, this is something many organizations fail to do so. We run a campaign on Facebook, and the website does not have any information on it. It develops trust issues. Your first focus must be the website, which must have all the information that rolls out in the media. If the campaign is over and the product launch is complete, prune the information to the latest. It is the apt part of marketing. Information sync shall develop your business multifold. As we said in the beginning, marketing depends on consumer behavior, and that behavior tapped only through authentic information. So, we have quickly discussed the top 10 marketing techniques, which included setting a target by setting a budget, social media-based brand development, local audience-oriented brand management, email marketing to target right customers, tactical blogging by posting the trend, online business information where authenticity is required, SEO practices for taking right decisions, building reviews where customers teach others, video content to reach instantly, and examining landing pages to keep the website updated. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.